Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Help Me Create feature in Google Docs to create some pretty amazing stuff. So I'm in a brand new Google Doc, and when I go under File here and at New, I move over and the Help Me Create feature is a Gemini powered tool where you can just tell it what it is you're looking for and it makes the document for you. Now, it may not be perfect. You may have to revise it. It may be something that you revise a few times over the course of a few years or a few uses, but it pretty much does the job very quickly. So I'm going to click on this and I'm just going to enter in a prompt down here. Notice you can add sources if you want. It's already programmed to search my Drive and Gmail. You can set that however you want. You can create images. You can use it to match writing style or match a document format. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to type in a pretty basic prompt. Create a short summary of the different tools we use in algebra to solve polynomial equations. And that's all I'm going to ask it to do. Takes 10 seconds to type that in, and then I'm going to click the little up arrow and it's going to go to work. Now, one of the interesting things about this is that you can connect it to multiple uh, sources. So your Gmail, your the rest of your Google Drive, whatever. And just like that, I have an entire document here summarizing the different tools we use in algebra to solve polynomial equations. Now, I teach Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and Pre-Calculus, so I would have materials on this subject in all three of those folders in my Google Drive. And it just analyzed pretty much everything I have. It didn't concern itself with which folders it was in. And it could be from a Google slide deck. It could be from something else. Uh, it took like 30 seconds to do this. This is incredible. Any kind of explanation you need for your students, any kind of document, just open up Google Docs and tell it what you want. If you want it to have specific style characteristics, make sure you include that. But basically, this is tell it what you want and you get it. So, this is really going to change the way I think teachers do their job. You can create like so many things and you can save so much time doing it. Just a really, really fantastic change in Google Docs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.